Here's a Cessna. He was just coming real slow until he saw me, and then until I saw him, and then he started doing weird turns and stuff on my roof, like he was just hanging out. Some pulses. And the fake mini remote control Blackhawk was just doing pulses. And there goes a jumbo turning over the two-story house across the street. It has white or silver wings, blue front that looks purple, and a yellow, orange, red back. So I don't know if it's a Halloween one and it's orange, but it just did more than a 90-degree turn. It's headed back towards Geronimo Alicia intersection now. So it came in like this, and it's going back like that. So gnarly.